Dito naman tayo. Ayan. Gusto nyo sumama. Gusto nyo makita yung school ng isa. Mayroon akong kasama. Good morning. Look at Ate Kali. She wear a pig costume. May pig costume siya, Ate Kali. Side. Go. No. Jebe, tomorrow exam mo, ah. Okay? Properly. Mag-listen sa exam, read properly. Tapos intindihin ang question. Mag-exam kasi yan eh. First grading. Mag-Holy Week na. Matikali, what are you doing?